Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unlock the secrets of earning money online through Pinterest. Whether you're a creative soul, an entrepreneur, or just looking for new income streams, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Alright, before we jump into the methods, let's talk a bit about why Pinterest is such a fantastic platform for making money online. Pinterest isn't just a place for finding recipes or DIY crafts, it's also a powerful tool for businesses and individuals looking to earn income. It's visual, engaging, and has a huge user base. So, let's explore how you can turn Pinterest into your personal money-making machine. Here's a quick overview of what we're going to cover today: affiliate marketing, promoting your own products, sponsored content, Pinterest ads, offering services, and more. Ready? Let's get started. Method 1: Affiliate marketing. Our first method is affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning from Pinterest. Here's how it works. Join affiliate programs. Find affiliate programs that match your niche. You can join programs from companies like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate. Create pins with affiliate links. Design beautiful pins and include your affiliate links. When people click on your pins and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Share product reviews and recommendations. Write detailed reviews or create comparison guides. Your honest opinions can help your audience make a buying decision. Affiliate marketing tips. Use eye-catching images. Add compelling descriptions. Disclose your affiliate links. Method 2: Promoting your own products or services. Next up is promoting your own products or services. If you have something to sell, Pinterest can drive tons of traffic to your online store or website. Here's how. Showcase your products. Create pins that highlight your products. Use high-quality images and clear descriptions. Sell digital products. If you have books, printables, or online courses, Pinterest is a great place to market them. Use lifestyle images. Link directly to your product pages. Create engaging product descriptions. Method 3: Sponsored content. Another fantastic way to earn from Pinterest is through sponsored content. If you have a decent following, brands might pay you to promote their products. Here's how to get started. Partner with brands. Reach out to brands or sign up for influencer marketing platforms to find sponsored content opportunities. Create sponsored pins. Design pins that feature the brand's products or services. Make sure to follow any guidelines provided by the brand. Choose brands that fit your niche. Be transparent about sponsorships. Negotiate fair rates. Method 4: Pinterest ads. Now let's talk about Pinterest ads. This is a great way to get your content in front of a larger audience. Here's what you need to know. Create promoted pins. Use Pinterest's advertising tools to create promoted pins. You can choose your target audience and set your budget. Optimize your ads. Monitor the performance of your ads and adjust your strategies to get the best results. Define your target audience. Set clear ad objectives. Analyze ad performance. Method 5: Offer Pinterest management services. Another great opportunity is to offer Pinterest management services. If you're an expert at Pinterest, you can help businesses grow their presence on the platform. Here's how. Offer account management. Help businesses with pin creation, board management, and strategy development. Design pins for clients. Create attractive and effective pins for businesses. Build a strong portfolio. Showcase your expertise. Stay updated with Pinterest trends. Method 6: Drive traffic to your blog or website. Next is using Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog or website. This can help you earn money through ads, sponsored posts, or product sales. Here's what you can do. Create engaging content. Share valuable blog posts or articles on Pinterest. Build your email list. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to a landing page where people can sign up for your email list. Use attention-grabbing headlines. Include clear call to actions. Track traffic with Pinterest Analytics. Method 7: Sell your art or photography. Last but not least, you can sell your art or photography on Pinterest. If you're an artist or photographer, Pinterest can help you reach potential buyers. Showcase your work. Create pins that display your art or photography. Link to your online shop where users can purchase prints or downloads. Use high-quality images. Create boards for different art styles. Engage with your audience. Before we finish, here are some quick tips for Pinterest success. Be consistent. Pin regularly to keep your content fresh and engaging. Use high-quality images. Eye-catching visuals are key to attracting attention. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your pin descriptions, titles, and boards. Monitor analytics. Track your performance to see what works and adjust your strategies. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages to build a loyal following. Consistent pinning. High-quality images. SEO optimization. Track analytics. Engage with followers. And that's a wrap on how to earn online from Pinterest. I hope you found these tips and strategies helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.